Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove props from your garden and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to remove this prop. Okay, this one, this letter, and if you want to remove it, you can click on the build menu and then you're going to click on the props that you want to remove, and you're going to click on remove or click on this button, this trash button, and as you can see that the prop has been removed from my garden. So all you need to do to remove the prop is just clicking on the build menu and click on the prop like this, and there will be three buttons that you can click and select the red button. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove prop from your garden and grow a garden too of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.